this is Don Howe, and the topic for this golden nugget is mentoring. Socrates mentored Plato. Plato mentored Aristotle. Aristotle mentored Alexander the Great, and Alexander the Great almost conquered the whole world. Mentoring is basically training or discipling others, and anyone can be a mentor. You don't need to be perfect in order to be an effective mentor. As a mentor, you'll teach both skills and character. Skills are usually taught intentionally, while character is usually caught or taught unintentionally. You should only mentor a person who is ready, willing, and able to grow. I like to say, look for a fat person. F-A-T. That stands for faithful, available, and teachable. Effective mentoring requires a customized growth plan that fits the individual, and both the mentor and the one being mentored should be on a personal growth program. When you're mentoring and you want to teach a specific task, there's a 4-step process that you should follow. Number 1, I do the task, you watch and learn. Number 2, we do the task together. Number 3, you do the task and I watch and I offer feedback. And number 4, you do the task. That's how Howe Insurance Services has designed their mentoring program. In order to be a good mentor, you've got to expect results. The key to exponential growth is to make sure that you don't just mentor anyone. If you want to grow exponentially, make sure that you mentor someone who will in turn mentor others. If you want to be successful, you've got to be teachable. You've got to be a lifelong learner. Do you read good books? Do you listen to good audio? Do you observe what's happening around you? Do you take good notes? Do you write down the thoughts that you have? One of the keys to learning is to not write down what the teacher says, but to write down the thoughts that you have while the teacher is speaking. In other words, take what the teacher is saying and figure out how to apply it to your own life. I expect you to take notes. As you listen to these golden nuggets, I expect you to write down any thoughts that might come to your mind, and I expect you to grow. This is because I believe that you are a winner, and given enough time, you will win. Yes, you are a winner.
Thank you for listening to this Golden Nugget by Don Howe. To learn more about Don's free sales success system or to have a free success audio like this one sent to you each weekday, please visit donhowesuccess.com. That's DonHowesuccess.com.